Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now you join us on quite an exciting day because finally we are going to start laying the stone after 4 days of setting out the superstructure with those big heavy trench blocks and then spending 5 days on block work, getting all the block work up to 9 courses. Now today's going to be a bit of a faffy day, so I thought I'd get you up to speed now before I disappear for a little while. We're going to be starting on this big flank. But first things first, we need to insulate all of the block work with our king span cavity insulation. So that needs to go tight up to the block work to leave an air gap next to the stonework, and then we use these to keep it into place. Now we need to do that around the entire exterior perimeter, so that's going to be a bit of a slow day. We've got 150mm rock wool insulation that's going to be going below ground level, and we also have about 6 inches of build up to actually get us up to ground level. I think we've got about 225mm of stone, so a full band of 65mm stone and then another 150 that will get us up to ground level. And then we've got our trays, we've got all of our radon barrier to sort out. Above that we've got weep poles, step down trays, a lot of things to think about today. Before we start insulating and things like that, I was actually going to throw a mix on. The mix we're using for this beautiful stone is a 5-1-1 mix, which is a very similar mix we did on a previous extension. It's going to be 5 parts sand, 1 part cement and 1 part hydraulic lime or hydrated lime. I forget which one. So that's going to be all gauged up and going on in a little while. Now we've got foreman coming in a little while to figure out how or if we are dressing ends of stone. No idea what's going to happen yet. I'm waiting for confirmation with that. Regarding building corners and things of that nature, we're either going to use top clamps and a profile to get the exterior of the brickwork or stonework, or we might just hang a timber coming out and have a plumb line from point A all the way down to our corner there. So that'll act as a profile. So we will see. $250, good. $255. Move that up slightly. That is bang on plumb. That is beautiful. Rather than use a profile, we're using plumb bobs today. It's like a profile, but we know because the stone is all rugged on the edge. If I was to put a profile up to that, it would just, the profile would be a straight edge, but the stone would be all over the shop. Whereas I can like put the corner of this stone directly like to that. Oh, yeah. You know what I mean, without it fouling. Yeah. Sand, mate, exciting times. Plumb line set, perfect. 250mm back from this side, 250mm back from that side, perfectly plumb. That is what our edge of the stone is going to be following. So we've just got our first course on, ground levels like here somewhere, 150mm insulation in there, step down tray with ties, full cavity insulation. Nice.
Yeah, but then the thought of now, because I'm stressed and I'm fancying holiday.
Yeah.
A little bit, but I'm not like
Yeah, yeah. Positive. Have you managed that? I know. And, block work when I started. Oh, look at that. Like a glove. Right, let's get covered up. It's dead heavy. I'm not used to like that. So I'll show you how we are looking. It's a bit late on in the day really. It's like 11:30. It's been a bit of a slow start. It took us a while to get everything kind of set. Trays, weep poles, radon barrier, all of that sort of stuff. But we are kind of getting into a bit of a flow now. We also do need to put all the insulation up on the wall. I'll flip the camera around, show you how we're looking. So it's not going too bad whatsoever at the moment. It's looking quite nice. I reckon once we get really going in a bit, we'll properly start getting some square meterage down. But for now, we've got some snap because it's a bit late on, like I said, and hopefully pull the rest of this wall in a little bit later on. Right, there we go. So we have just wrapped up for the day. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We've got our returns up like 12 courses, and on the main run itself we have 2, 4, 6, about 7 courses on the main run. Wasn't too bad. First time properly dressing stone myself. Here's my little corner. Not too bad whatsoever. Plumb line, really good. We need some more silver tape. We've got quite a lot silver taped, and we need to get the rest of that silver taped in the morning. But overall, really nice day. Very slow start this morning sorting out trays, and then I don't know if you saw on time lapses, but it kept raining, so we had to keep covering up. But overall, not bad whatsoever. So we go again tomorrow, blasting the rest of this up, and then we're going to transfer onto the other side and start pulling all the rest of the stonework through. So yeah, all good. I think it's got to look very nice. There's Charlie's corner as well. And just reference, there's Charlie's corner. Oh, that does look good, doesn't it? I think I might have some competition there. Right, I'll catch you in the next one. I shaved my moustache, can you see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, rubbish, isn't it?